What if I told you that there's a pathway to work in Australia where, in some cases, age limits are more flexible, requirements can be lower, and employers are actively looking for workers? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's real, but only if you understand how it actually works. In 2025, Australia introduced a new version of a regional migration program called DAMA 3. And today, I'll break it down clearly, what it is, who can apply, and how you can approach it the right way. On this channel, we talk about real legal relocation pathways. No agents, no scams, no fake promises. If you're serious about moving abroad, subscribe now. Let's get into it. What is DAMA 3? Let's keep it simple. DAMA stands for Designated Area Migration Agreement. It's a special agreement between the Australian government and specific regional areas, like the Northern Territory. This allows employers in those regions to hire foreign workers when they can't find local staff. DAMA 3 is the latest version, introduced in 2025. Why this program stands out. Here's why people are talking about it. Some roles may have more flexible age requirements. Certain occupations may have reduced English requirements. Lower salary thresholds compared to standard visas, depending on role. Over 300 plus occupations across different industries. Potential pathway to permanent residency after a few years. Important. These benefits depend on the specific job and employer agreement. Not every role has the same conditions. Types of jobs available. DAMA 3 covers a wide range of sectors. 1. Hospitality and food. Cooks, chefs, bar staff, waiters. 2. Transport and logistics. Truck drivers, bus drivers, forklift operators. 3. Trades and construction. Electricians, plumbers, carpenters. 4. Agriculture. Farm workers, fruit pickers, packers. 5. Healthcare and care. Nurses, aged care workers, assistants. 6. Other roles. Hairdressers, mechanics, IT professionals, teachers. So whether you're skilled or semi-skilled, there may be options, but it depends on demand. Eligibility simplified. To apply, you generally need relevant work experience, usually 1 to 2 years. A job offer from an approved employer. Basic English, depending on job. Good health and character. No job offer equals no visa pathway. Visa options under DAMA 3. There are different visa pathways, depending on your situation. Subclass 482, temporary skill shortage. Subclass 494, regional skilled, pathway to PR. Subclass 186, permanent residency in some cases. Your employer decides which visa applies. Step-by-step process. Let's break it down clearly. Step 1, find a job. Apply to employers in the Northern Territory. Step 2, employer endorsement. Your employer applies to sponsor you under the DAMA agreement. Step 3, labor agreement. The employer signs an agreement with the government. Step 4, apply for visa. You apply under the relevant visa subclass. Step 5, move to Australia. Once approved, you relocate and start working. Where to find jobs. Use trusted platforms like Workforce Australia, Seek, Indeed, NT government job portals. You can also contact approved recruitment agencies listed by the Northern Territory government. Many agencies do not charge job seekers. Always verify before sharing documents. Reality check. Let's be honest, this is not a guaranteed visa. You must secure a job first. Competition still exists. Requirements vary by employer and occupation. But if you meet the requirements and apply consistently, this can be a real opportunity. Tips for success. Create an Australian-style CV. Match your job with the correct occupation code. Apply to multiple employers. Prepare for online interviews. Avoid agents asking for money. Final message. If you're serious about moving to Australia in 2026, start preparing now. Build your skills. Apply the right way, because opportunities like this depend on action, not just information. Oyutiaro, if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more real opportunities. Comment, Australia 2026. If you're interested, share with someone who needs this. See you in the next video.